Cheapskate Kate here for the grocery roundup as of Wednesday, February 25th, 2026. I went to Aldi, didn't see much in their ad, so I bought what I needed. Chickpeas, 2 cans, 85 cents each. I've got their pineapple chunks and natural juice for $1.59. Cold foam cream, and it's white chocolate. They were $1.79 each. Applesauce cups, non-GMO, 6 of those for $1.95. 12 ounces of broccoli for $1.19. That's frozen. Chai black tea, 20 bags for $1.29. Avocados. These were 49 cents each. Baby Bella mushrooms, $1.19. And to finish it off, soup and oyster crackers for 79 cents. Vincent Joe has fresh Brussels sprouts or broccoli crowns for $1.49 a pound. Spinach is $1.50 a bag for a 10-ounce bag for fresh spinach. California raw walnut meat is $2.99 a pound. Cage-free extra large eggs, $1.50 a dozen. Bell & Evans whole chickens are $1.99 a pound. And whole chickens are still 99 cents a pound. And Randazzo Fresh Market in Warren, Clinton Township, and Macomb Township has party wings or boneless, skinless chicken tenders, $1.77 a pound. That's a great price. It's half the price of any place else that I've seen in town. Cheapskate Kate out.